So what we need to do now is we need to add some more information to the actual door type itself for that to then be displayed in the tag. So you can see here we've got 41 at the top. We have our width and height, so they're correctly displayed, and a question mark at the bottom. So first off, on the top where it says 41, what I want to be displayed there is the actual type of door, so the door type. And when I selected, we labeled it DT-01. So I want DT-01 to be displayed there. And to the bottom where the question mark is, I want my fire rating to be displayed. So next we'll select the door. We can now go to edit type, and in here we're going to enter the information. So here in the type properties, if we scroll down to the type mark, there's our 41, which is being displayed at the moment. So when I created my tag, the first label that I specified for my door type, I told my label to go to the type mark in the type properties and display the value of that parameter. So the value of the parameter type mark is 41. So I want you to highlight that and change it to DT-01 for our door type 1. Press OK. Now you'll see the tags for all of our door types DT-01 will now display that information. Next is the question mark, which is my fire rating. So again, we'll select the door, select edit type, and for the tag, I told the tag to look in the identity data and specify the fire rating. So there is an actual parameter for fire rating included in this door. So we just simply need to add in the fire rating ourselves. So there we go. Fire rating is FD30S. Press OK. And there again, we'll see our tag is displaying that information. And again, because all of these DT01s are all the same type, so when we change one, all of them update. And then we'll move over to door type 2, and we'll do the same as we've done with door type 1. So we'll select our door, go to edit type, and again I told the door tag to look for the type mark and display the information, and that's DT02. And you'll see both door types 2 now display that information. And again, just update the fire rating to FD30S. Since we typed the fire rating in already for 1, if you hit the arrow key, it will be displayed. So we can then select it from the menu. And then lastly, we have DT03. So again, select the door, edit the type, scroll down to type mark, change to DT-03. While you're there, you can also change the fire rating. And then we can adjust the position of the tag. Again, I go into a lot more detail about tagging in the intermediate course. So it's just a brief introduction about tagging in the intro course. So next what we can do is change the information here for our external door. So what we can do is we can select the double doors in the curtain wall. And I go to edit type, same process, go down to the type mark. And this is an external door type, so I'm going to call it EDT-01. And this will not have a fire rating, so I'm going to just add in a full stop, just to get rid of the question mark. Now obviously the correct way to do this would be create a brand new tag and just remove the fire rating label. So the only information in the tag is the door type and the width and height. So you'll just simply remove that label from your door tag. But again, that's something we won't cover in the intro course. So to select the tag and shift it down using the arrow keys. And same with the other